Page 50, position G. In this lesson, we are learning about G position. Let's talk a little bit about positions. A position is where your hands go. Right now, we're in simple 5-finger positions. That is, 5 fingers, and each finger is on a note next to each other. It's like C position. The bottom note in the position tells you what the name of the position is. It's a C position here. There's a lot of C positions all over the place. They got all kinds of C positions. And the music tells you which C position to use. Well, that applies to anything. G position, you simply, the bottom note's a G. So I can go here, here. That's G position here. I don't care where it is. They're all over the place. That's G position. Yeah, hopefully you know the names of all these notes on the keyboard now because we've used them all. If you're using stickers, I encourage you to take them off. You need to be able to glance at the keys and just instantly know what the note name is and not read the sticker. Stickers are okay to start with, that'll help you. But time comes to take off the training wheels and go. And this is about that time when you do this. It also means there's new notes in the music to learn, and I leave it up to you to learn these. In the right hand, they're using this, the G above middle C here. So you got, look at the first two measures in G position. Those are the notes, and they give you above in the words to sing, if you want, those are the names of the notes. G, A, B, C, D. It goes right up the alphabet. So you need to know those notes, so you just play it and say it. G, A, B, C, D, C, B, A, G, A, B, C. You get the idea? Just go through, and you don't have to go that fast. You take it at your speed. Hesitate all you need to. It doesn't matter. Just drill yourself on the names of the notes in the music. Left hand, same thing, except we're on this G down here, way down here, because you got middle C here. We've been in this C position where you're going down now for this G position, down here. And the names of those notes, same thing. Play it and say it until you know the names of those notes in the music instantly. And we got most of the notes then covered as far as the staffs go. There's still more notes to go, but this is most of them. Now they give you the chart at the top of the page showing you in the music where they are and where they are on the piano. They get middle C's here and you're here and you're here. That's fine. It's fine for getting started, right? The next few pieces we play is going to be in G position. But as far as piano playing goes, you don't get charts telling you where to put your hands and all. You get finger numbers in the music telling you where to put your hands and all. It's like in G position, first line, they have a 1 above the G, that's thumb here. That tells you where to put your hand. And second line, there's a 5 underneath that staff there. That little finger, that tells you where to put your hand. That's how it really works. You're looking for a finger number at the beginning or a few finger numbers that kind of tell you where to get your hands going. You're not going to have the charts, so don't rely on charts up there. You learn to look at the music and figure it out. So let's look this over. It's 2 lines long. The right hand's playing the top line, the left hand's playing the bottom line, and finally they're correct as far as music theory goes, because you'll see in the first line where the right hand's playing, the bottom staff just has whole rests. They're accounting for all the beats and all the measures, and that's what we need. Because over there on page 48 or whatever, they didn't put in the whole rests, and that, in my opinion, was incorrect. You need the rests in there to account for all the beats and every measure. So just go through one hand at a time. Of course, there's only one hand playing at a time. And make sure you have each hand going. And I'm just transferring weight from finger to finger. I'm just kind of walking on the piano, and I got 5 legs to do it. And that's all. Transfer weight. I'm just kind of rolling here. Takes a little, it's weird really, but keep working at it, it comes. The idea is to stay relaxed. Anyway, I got off here. I said 2 lines long, got the rest, and okay. 4/4 time signature, we're in G position, we got it, okay. Go through and play one hand at a time, and you try both hands together, which is really one hand at a time. Take out any hesitations, no hesitations. There's no speed given. It doesn't matter how fast you go on this. The idea is a steady pulse or a steady beat throughout. So you feel the pulse before you start, and then when you're ready on this pulse, then you go. You just follow the pulse through. They have articulation. They have the slurs. If you want to do that, go ahead. In my mind, I tend to just want to play each line connected all the way through. But in the second measure, if you want to lift like taking a breath, that's fine. That's what's marked there. Same thing in the left hand in the second line, second measure here. Lift up before. So just a little bit of silence. Okay. Dynamics MF, mezzo forte, is medium loud or moderately loud or sort of loud. Not loud, sort of loud. You'll have to decide what sort of loud is. It's just on the loud side of the middle part area, wherever that is. You decide on your situation what is not loud, just sort of. Whatever. Let's play this together very slowly, and this is after you've learned it. Make sure you have all the notes. The rhythm shouldn't be a problem. They're all quarter notes except for the half notes at the end of each line. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. Four. Off.